doing this to your family? What should I do to them? It's you to give me a thought. Why should they do this to you? They do this to your daughter. They do this to your other daughter. They do this even to other children. They are innocent. The pain that you felt. Now I'll multiply it times 100. So could I call it this? Could I call it? Tears forget kneeling rock. So you could call it up to the leg. That's not around you. What daughter is saying? Tivaisa. Anoint her. But now we subside. Only this side. And what I took from the other side. Oh, memory. A memory, I'll show you what to do. What you need to do. The daughter, hug your mother. This family to be free, but I need higher power. I speak proper restoration. Again, I want everything in the family to be loose. These are beautiful people. You're not feeling well? Come. Have an instant. No, my love. Sakami posha muya mulale lero fiala karipaho. My love. This family has started being set free. My intercessor. Your left hand. It was prophetic. You know the power you carry. It is too big. Stand so imian kuku mumulu. Down. Mumulu. Down. Mumulu. Down. Mwafakusha. Then what? It has stopped.
Yes,
it was paining, but
yes.
It has stopped. So why should I tell you no? Then God, have faith. You are very serious bondage area. Listen, why are you doing? I want it to break. In Jesus' name. I cover the under the blood of Jesus. As I go round the blood, they are covered under the blood. In Jesus' name. Let her check herself. Let her check herself. Let her check herself. Check, mama. There? She don't come quiet. Go on for a meno. At the pen has gone. So now, what will happen is